Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of it's Tuesday. February the 1st, 2022. New month, February. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are nine. Half of them I will solve, five of them. But first, I will solve this Sudoku Medium. By the way, the daily news of today, yes, we have broken the record again. The daily record, there are now 112,000 people infected with corona, with Omicron. Yeah, today the daily record is broken again, and it's still rising. But the good news is there are not a lot of people in the hospitalization. Yes. Anyway, I'm following the news. Let me start with this puzzle Sudoku Medium number 4059. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So we will see. Let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. All right. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, the 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. All right. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this second column, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left. Now, in this big square, 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Okay. Then, let me see. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column be 3 in the middle column. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 in those two boxes. One box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, here, 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Alright. Then, how about the 3 in this row, the 3 in the row below? So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in the last row. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number. Yeah. 1. Come on. We're waiting. The 9 in the third row, the 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Then. We have 8 in this first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I can continue with the 8. How about the numbers? We have a 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Okay, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here, 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. All right. And we have a pair. 2 and an 8 in the first row. 2 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So now we have 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. All right. Then. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Okay, 1 number left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 8. Alright. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Okay. Then. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later, later with the other puzzles in additional. And before I leave, let me mark those numbers, the center box of those big squares. The center box of the big square. I believe a couple of days ago I started to analyze those numbers. Maybe I see a pattern, I do not know. All the data I collecting them, and maybe I see a pattern, or I see a way to solve those Sudokus in an easier way. Yes. So here we have 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. 9, 8, 2. 9, 8, 2. And 2, 7, 5. 2, 7, 5. So we have 2 pairs. The 2 and the 5. Alright. Thank you. And we will meet again later on. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And see you in the evening. Bye bye for now.